Okay, I've been messing with this long enough. I'm reaching out. I'm gonna run through real quick. This roof here that you see is part of the just I discovered these things here that are called roof baseline polylines, and really not sure if I'm using them correctly because they sometimes fix major problems and sometimes they screw them up. So what I've been doing is I find that sometimes they'll go through multiple rooms and it just doesn't make any sense. So I will copy a piece up. Up here, what I was doing was putting together, like I'll take this, stretch it down, and then pull it up, make one size to go for the sitting porch so that I can describe that roof in that fashion. So that's how I've been messing with it a little bit. In my write up, I did state that I had just found some other deal, but not going to worry too much about that yet. Let me fly you through it real quick. This is not the exact file that I used to send because this was too big to zip. I couldn't get it small enough. So this is my big issue is I spoke to the homeowner and multiple times. He kept telling me that these 16-foot posts, if it went over 16 foot, that we were really going to go into a price increase. I talked to the timber framer yesterday, and he said, no, it's by the board foot straight up, and you can go to 40 feet. So, that being said, I have taken and raised my truss up, and I'll show you why inside. I haven't raised the rest of these. I just wanted to kind of get some information. I'd like to get the roof fixed so I can send this off to my client. There goes my 3D mouse going crazy. Oh, I love it when that happens. So I will redo that view, but in the meantime, so I've got a kind of a flat roof out front. A lot of the roof seems to be working okay. I got this wall to show back up, no windows in it. This wall shown back up with the one window in it. That's just a mirror for me, no big deal. Uh, Fireplace still a little weird. Can't figure out how without turning off autumn, and that may be something I just have to do later. Is turn off the automatic roofs so that I can get this to all pop up, and then even take it higher, so I get 5 foot above that ridge line there per code. So this wall I cannot make appear, and this wall won't appear, but the windows are there. This is a third story, basically, is how I set this up. And then the loft is the second story. And so, not sure what I flew through there. And then down here is the first story. Come back in, basic garage, flat ceiling. Come into here, not worried about flat ceiling. Um, Oops, I just flew back, turn around somehow. Oh, I know what I did. I need to scoot over. And then in here, there's some mess up too. So this is a vault for the master bedroom. Should be a vault for the sitting room, but I went through in the closet. But well, this 3D mouse is really handy, but I'm trying to do this so fast I'm getting lost. Okay, just slow down. I need to go right through that wall. Okay, so this is the sitting room, and if I look up in this sitting room, see I'm kind of missing some wall here, and I've got the wall I set to, you know, roof cuts a wall at bottom, and it's just hanging out up here. And I would like this to be vaulted, but it shouldn't be this weird vault. Um, I've got this wall going really high. I have no idea why. It's just part of this tile system for this tub shower. Just got a slide door back and forth so you can close off one side or the other. Um, Everything else in here is pretty good shape, but as soon as I come up and take a look at what's going on outside, wow, is there some weird stuff, and I just can't figure it out. And these have been a nemesis the entire time.